associated with it. It's going to be a quick video just highlighting the overview of the system for you. Following this part, there's going to be some live field footage to show you how this is set up in the field, and then also a short segment of our Jetcam in the pipe in a 15-inch line drain tile that we did last week in a farm. Okay, to start off with, we have a command module. You have two choices. We can use the DVD model or the DVR, which includes a built-in memory stick recording device. Both of these units operate off of a battery and can function in the field that way minus any power. Also on the system, we have a camera head. This is a self-leveling camera. This piece is interchangeable between the Jetcam sizes, the silver bullet, and the push camera as well. The main reel associated with the system is going to be this reel here with a fold-down handle. The reel comes with the option of being manual, motorized, and we can also get an automatic level wind with it as well. Your choices in cable length are 425 feet or 600 feet. When this is in the folded down position, the command module, which by the way comes with a 10-foot link cable, can mount to this swivel and lock in, and then it can be positioned in any direction you need to see. The unit also comes with a sunshade, which I don't have right now, but you will see it in the live video. We were using it in the field. Okay, to assemble the Jetcam, we'll go over our components that we have. We have an adapter, which we will mount a light head and a camera to. I've got both of these separated here so you can see how they look individually. The camera will screw onto this. This will mount onto the adapter, and then that entire piece will go into the Jetcam skid. Standard with the system is a 6-inch skid and an 8-inch skid. Also, you have the choice of a nozzle. We can do one for a 1-inch fitting, a 3/4 inch fitting, or a 1/2 inch. We take the nozzle associated with your machine, we screw in the nozzle adapter, the nozzle adapter then slides into this unit. Now most typically in the field you will put this on the hose first and then you will put it together, but I don't have a machine here right now, it's a sewer cleaner, so we will do it this way. Then we take the camera, which is assembled to the adapter, we will slide it in. The holes line up and this pin will drop right through, and then there's a protective cap that locks on. Now that is the finished Jetcam skid kit right here with the nozzle attached to the back. This is where our cable will go, the mainline cable. And then there are two strain reliefs which hook up to two screws on either side of this, which will take the pressure off of this area of the cable. I'm not going to hook those up today for this purpose, but it's a pretty standard feature. Line this up. This lines up with a special pin. It only goes in one way and then simply screws on to the connector. Okay, now we have the two strain reliefs which we would hook up. The hose would already be hooked up, and at this point this is ready to go. You simply turn the unit on, turning power to the camera. We have everything here hooked up, yes we do. Takes 1 minute for the recording device to activate. And then you will see the picture. Now on the screen here, or on the, the keyboard, you'll notice a weatherproof sealed keyboard. We can control the camera brightness with this, the counter position on the screen. It also gives us a reset. And then we have the microphone and the speaker controls. This particular monitor is a 10.4-inch LCD color monitor. It does also come with the option for a daylight readable monitor. That is an upgraded feature, but it allows you to see this in the sunlight, in the daylight, without the use of the sunshade. Okay. Now if you look down here at the camera head, you'll now see the lights are on. We have the ring of lights around the camera and 4 high-intensity LEDs in the optional light head. This will give you sufficient lighting to go into a 15-inch pipe in most cases, sometimes an 18-inch. If you do have larger pipe, we have an option of a 12-inch skid that is interchangeable just the way you saw these. So we have the 6, the 8, and the 12-inch. Now, when we pull the cable out, it's basically in a freewheel mode. After you're through inspecting your line, you simply take the pendant control, which has an on and off button and a forward and reverse. We will put it to the on position and in reverse, and we simply turn the speed up, and you will see that the drum will automatically start pulling back. Now there is a slip clutch in this drum so that it will not actually pull back until the hose reel starts to come back, and then this drum will start to feed back. Once it senses there's a lack of tension there, it will start to retract the cable in and do the level wind with it. There's plenty of power here to keep up with the biggest machine you have, obviously with 600 feet of cable. So again, we have the level wind, the motor. So this is a fully automatic reel for use, makes it very easy to operate in the field. Down below here you see a box. This is our power supply. Routes the video on the counter and all the information to the command module. Now just quickly, that pretty much covers the Jetcam operation. It's very basic. We do have a few other options that I'll talk about here briefly. First option, and I mentioned the 12-inch skid, we can also put a built-in transmitter into this unit, and the antenna will be located in here, so you will be emitting a 512 hertz signal for locating this underground to about 12 to 15 feet, depending on the soil and the pipe conditions. That's a popular option for people who want to locate. The unit does come with a very accurate footage counter, but if you want to take away all guessing, the locator works quite well. Now, one of the other features that we're going to show you is the crawler. This unit just simply detaches or attaches to the cable when this is detached. Same way, we would simply plug it in, line the connector up, screw it on. Again, take the strain reliefs, hook them here. Now the wheels you see on here right now are for 4-inch. This also comes with 6 and 8-inch wheels, as well as pneumatics. That when put on here, this crawler is capable of doing easily 12 and 15-inch pipe. The light head and the cameras you saw here are interchangeable. There's the same camera. This light head that you see on the Jetcam skid is also interchangeable with this, so we can have the extra lighting if we need it. I will run this unit for a minute. Use the same controller that we did for the drum. We now simply put it in forward. You have to push the tractor activate button on the back, which is just pushing a button one time. At this point, the crawler can be moved in variable speed. I've got this locked down right now. I'll put it in reverse. You can also see the drum will then pull it in reverse as well. Right now we have the small tires on it. That's quite a bit of tension this is pulling on it, but with the bigger wheels, it's designed to handle that in any size pipe and you'll be fine. It will automatically pull back the cable to match the speed of the crawler. Okay, that pretty much covers the basics. Again, I wanted to focus mostly on the Jetcam, but you can see the crawler option attaches very easily. So please follow on this video for the live footage, and if you have any questions, please contact your local dealer or Insight Vision. Thank you. Cam reel is over the hole. See, they're viewing the monitor. This is what the typical setup looks like. Going?
No, I can't find that.
What we're doing here is changing out the camera, putting the larger skid, larger light head on. Alright, when you put the bigger light head on, this little collar comes off. You no longer use it. Okay? Set that aside. And then the light head itself has set screws that will set into the lock-in place. So if you think the camera screws on the front of the light ring?
That's right. Look at it. Yeah, look at this all that. See, you got me thinking about it right now.
Doesn't matter how it goes on. We use slip rings. Also, any position is fine. That's good. Okay, so we're set with that. Okay, now we've got the unit running. See down the hole. Taking the cable off and pulling it. See the jet pressure down there. It's just running it from right there. It's a pretty sunny day out, so we're watching this. This is a farm drainage tile, by the way, that we're doing. We are looking for buried phone lines at this point. One of the keys is you want to go at a controlled speed so that you don't end up going too fast to allow for good video. Here you can see the tiger tail from the hose and then the cable going into the line. This is a 12-inch.